Before we jump into actual implementation, I think it is very, very important to understand what is server-side Swift. If you have a simple application, let's consider a to-do list application which lists number of tasks in a UI table view control or some sort of a list control. You can save those tasks on the device itself using a local database. That can be SQLite database, that can be any kind of database that you want to use, or even you can store it in NS user defaults and store it on the device itself. And you can also store it on the cloud. The benefit of storing it on the cloud versus storing on the device will be that you can simply get a new device or any other device, even websites, and look at your task. On the other hand, if you're storing it on the device, then if your device is lost, all your tasks are gone. Since this course is about server-side Swift, we'll be looking at how you can store information in the cloud. Now, when you're storing information in the cloud, you have a lot of choices. You can use Apple's CloudKit to store data in the cloud. You can also use Google's Firebase to store data in the cloud. You can use Facebook's Parse to store data in the cloud. But as we have learned, that Facebook Parse is no more. And that is one of the challenges when you are picking a third-party provider to store data on the cloud. CloudKit, Firebase, or any other third-party library or third-party service may or may not exist tomorrow. So what are our alternatives? Well, you can learn Ruby on Rails, which is a technology platform for web development using the Ruby language, and create your complete backend. Of course, in that case, you will have to learn the Ruby language and learn the Rails framework. You can create the complete backend or cloud platform using Microsoft ASP.NET technology also. You can also use JavaScript Node.js to write server components. Even PHP has support for building services that can be utilized as a backend storage for your applications. If you're using Python, then you can use Django. Of course, in this case, you will have to learn Python to create backend services using Django, or as I call it, Django. But you can see that there are many and so much choices available for you to store information in the cloud. The app that you're writing most probably will be in Swift. So it will be really cool that if you can utilize and leverage the existing skill set of the Swift language and create the complete backend in Swift. And now you can, using IBM's Kitura framework. Using the Kitura framework, you can use and utilize your existing skills in server-side Swift language and create a complete backend instead of learning a completely different language. Thank you very much and stay tuned for more.